Talking about Sushant Singh Rajput, Mukesh Chhabra said that the actor was an oversensitive person. Sushant Singh Rajput's death came as a shock to the world. The actor was found dead on 14 June 2020 in his Mumbai apartment. He was 34. Sushant Singh Rajput made his Bollywood debut with the 2013 film Kai Poche. He went on to feature in several films including MS Dhoni, The Untold Story and Chhichhore. Now, director Mukesh Chhabra has opened up about his best friend Sushant Singh Rajput in an interview with the Lallantop. FYI, Sushant's last film Dil Bechara was directed by Mukesh Chhabra. He said that the actor was an oversensitive person. Mukesh Chhabra said, "वो, Sushant Singh Rajput, लोगों से बहुत जल्दी परेशान होता था। कोई भी नेगेटिव बात से परेशान होता था। कोई भी अगर उसके बारे में ऐसा आर्टिकल आता था जो सही नहीं होता था तो वो बहुत परेशान होता था। और फिल्म में वो होने वाला था और नहीं हुआ और किसी एक फिल्म की वजह से उसने डू फिल्म चोरहड़ी। Sushant Singh Rajput would get affected very easily. He would get upset with people very easily. He would get very upset if he read a negative article about himself. He was an oversensitive person, we all are. Mukesh Chhabra was also asked if he was familiar with Sushant Singh Rajput's struggle with mental health. The filmmaker made a no gesture with his head and added, क्योंकि वो कोविड का वक्त था अगर ऐसा कुछ होता तो शायद मैं जेक उससे बात किया लेता ना। इतना तो हक था ही कि वो मेरे घर में आता था, बैठता था साथ में। उसकी पहली फिल्म कई पोचे से लेकर लास्ट पिक्चर तक उसके साथ मेरा रिश्ता रहा है। It was during the COVID-19 pandemic. If I knew what he was going through, I would have gone and spoken to him. We used to meet very often. From his first film to his last one, our relationship remains strong. Sushant Singh Rajput's last film Dil Bechara was released posthumously on 24 July.